Hi, my name is Halliday-Larsen and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Today I want to share a fun technique with you showing you how you can add colour to the Colour Me Irresistible Designer Series paper using ink pads. You can use as many colours as you like, but for today I'm going to stick to just using the two, Pink Periette and Pool Party. One of the biggest tips is always start by using the lightest coloured ink pad first, otherwise your next ink pad can pick up the previous colour that you've used. Now all you need to do is lie your embossed piece of card down flat on paper and you're just going to swipe the ink pad across the top. Now you're going to get a tissue and you're going to wipe off any of the excess ink. Okay, so now it's time to apply your second colour. When I'm applying the colour, I always keep my ink pad on a slight angle, and this will allow it that I can control how much ink I put onto my card. And then I'm going to do exactly the same thing and just swipe it across my card. It doesn't matter if it's patchy because that's the type of a look that I'm after. Now I'm going to do exactly the same thing and I'm going to wipe off any of the excess ink. Any of the areas that have been pre-embossed can have colour sitting on the top of it. So that's what I mean by wiping off the excess ink. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is use black memento ink and sponge around the edges. When sponging, I always rub off the excess ink first onto my scrap paper and then just slowly go onto the card. This will allow me to be able to control how much ink I actually put onto the card and I won't end up with a big unwanted blob. The other thing that I do is always lie my card down flat on a piece of paper and I slowly go in circular motion. And this just seems to distribute the ink a little bit more evenly. And then once again, all I'm going to do is come in with my tissue and give it a quick wipe. And this is what the end card looks like. As you can see, I've used it as the background. If you'd like any more information about what products I've used or want to place an order, then pop on over and visit my website, createwithstamps.co.nz. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video.